So I know you clicked this video because of the title of this video. We are prostitutes. Yeah. Hashtag girls in Italy are prostitutes. Yes, that is the hashtag. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please you might consider hitting that subscribe button because I upload video every week, every day of the week, so you don't get to miss any of my videos. And hit the subscribe bell icon so you know when I upload a video, and this is my VIP treatment for you, and you're very welcome. And if you're my old subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you very much for the support and for always being here. So guys, today I want to talk about something very rampant these days, like something that is very like hashtag girls live in Italy are prostitutes. I live in Italy. I am not a prostitute. I know so many of my clients that are not prostitutes. We work hard. We work hard to earn our money and to live fine. So I'm just going to read out this message that somebody sent to me on Facebook. That this message is the reason why I am making this video. So today let me read the message this guy sent to me on Facebook. To you people. Hello, baby girl. I said, I am fine. He said, where are you? I said, I am at work. He said, okay, can we chat? I said, no, we can chat later. And he said, are you busy? I said, yes. He said, okay. Busy doing what? I said I am at work. You're asking me busy doing what? Okay, bye bye, later. The next thing this guy will just say is, all these girls where they live for Italy, una go they carry, I don't want to say it, and they say una they busy. I was like, what? Don't know what that means. It means that I am working, I am a prostitute, that I am carrying pig. I don't want to mention it. So I was like, okay, what could make this guy think that me, I'm a prostitute just because I live in Italy? This is the reason I'm making this video, just to clarify this issue, just to make sure that some people understand me. Like, it is not everybody that lives in Italy that are prostitutes. I know so many people like me that work to earn their money in a normal way that are not prostitutes. And for your information, it's not everybody that are prostitutes that are doing it willingly. So many of them are being pushed. So many of them are being forced. So many of them are deceived, were deceived into this business, into this prostitution business. So you don't say everybody living in Italy are prostitutes. So it's just like you living in Nigeria, because Nigeria is a corrupt country, and that means you are corrupt. Because Nigeria is a corrupt country, your parents are corrupt. Because you're living in Nigeria, Nigeria is a corrupt country, everybody in Nigeria are all corrupt, which is not true. Everybody cannot be corrupt. Everybody can never be the same. There are people who came here genuinely with genuine intention to work. There are some people who came here knowing fully well what they were coming to do. You don't say everybody are prostitutes. We have married women, we have people, students, we have different people, just like we have people in other countries. So I cannot be ashamed to tell somebody I live in Italy, because I live in Italy. Italy does not live in me. You understand me? Italy does not live inside of me. I live here. So I cannot be ashamed to tell somebody that I live in Italy. Just because you know I live in Italy doesn't make doesn't give you the right to say I am into prostitution, because I take exception to that. I will not accept it. I will not let you, because most of these girls who do prostitution in Europe were deceived. They were deceived. Some of them were told that they were coming to become a nanny to their madams. Tell them in Nigeria that some of them are coming here to become a nanny, some of them are coming here to work in the salon. Most of these people here, they have handwork in Nigeria before they leave Nigeria. When they come here, that is why it is called human trafficking. When they come here, they find themselves doing something very different from what they were told, and they are already here and they were made to swear an oath, which means they cannot deviate from the initial agreement. You understand me? So you don't say that everybody is into prostitution. Everybody is not into prostitution, my brother and my sisters. And the people who say these things most are Nigerians, fellow Nigerians. They bring down each other. We bring down each other. We don't say good thing about each other. Heli Paul was making a comment that day, or she was doing comment that day, and she would make reference to Italy ladies, Italy women, Italy girls. You understand? And I was really angry, because that is not a joke. You understand me? How can you say such a thing about your people living in diaspora like that? It is not fair. Because I live in Italy does not give you the right to tag me a prostitute, or does not give you the right to tag anybody a prostitute. You have to do your findings, find out what that person is doing for a living before you can say whatever nonsense you have to say from that your dirty mouth. So guys, this is mine. So let me know what you think and what you feel about people who live in Italy, and why you think, if you think they are prostitute, tell me why you think they are prostitute, and I will reply you in my own way. For now, have a nice time, and thank you guys for watching. God bless you very much, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share my videos, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.